Hello friends. I will talk to you about a wonderful trading indicator that I use for trading on a 5-minute time frame. Indicator that will show us buy and sell points with low error in such rises and falls. For this strategy, we will use two separate indicators and take trades based on the signals provided by these two indicators. If you are ready, let me show you how it's done. We will make our trades on TradingView. And the indicators are completely free. The name of our first indicator is 5-minute scalping strategy. After selecting the indicator, we close the Trades on Chart tab because we will only be using the EMA feature of this indicator. Our reason for choosing this indicator is that it contains 3 different EMA lines within a single indicator. Having 3 different EMAs in a single indicator will be very beneficial for us instead of having 3 separate indicators. The name of the second indicator is Get Trend Strategy. After selecting the second indicator, we change the time interval from 160 to 240. If you want the EMA lines to be more visible, you can adjust the settings in the Style tab of the 5-minute scalp indicator. And to make it more clear and understandable, I will change the colors as well. Yes, this looks better. Now, what we need to pay attention to here is that if the green line, which is the EMA 9, crosses the red line, which is the EMA 50, from below, we look for a long position, and if it crosses from above, we look for a short position. Of course, using only one indicator may not be sufficient, so we also wait for the Get Trend Strategy indicator to confirm the signal at the same time. The strategy one apply is first waiting for the signal from the Get Trend Strategy indicator and then confirming that signal with the EMA of the 5-minute scalp indicator. That's correct, the closer the signals from both indicators are, the stronger the confirmation for the trade is. Let's try the indicators on a trading chart now. My general strategy is 2R, and for BTC on a 15-minute time frame, my stop loss is 1% and my take profit is 2%. Sometimes, I take risks and aim for longer profits, but generally, I try to follow this strategy. However, on the 5-minute time frame, my target is still 2R, but my profit and stop levels are halved. My stop loss is 0.5% and my take profit is 1%. Of course, you can adjust these points according to your own preferences. If we had continued with the trade, our profit would have been 7R. Here, a long signal is generated, but we do not enter this trade because there is no EMA crossover. The closer the EMA crossover is to the long or short signal, the more accurate our trades will be. Here, the crossover came first and then the short indicator worked. Normally, when this happens, I don't enter the trade, but sometimes I have observed that it gives correct results. Here, a long signal is given but we are not taking the trade as the intersection came late. Our indicator has given a short signal and a few candles later the intersection occurred. We enter the trade at the intersection point. We closed the trade with a profit by making a small move. This time luck was on our side. We have caught a very nice crossover, where the buy signal and the crossover are very close to each other. If we hadn't stopped out at 2R, and had entered the trade at the buy signal from the indicator and exited at the sell signal, we would have gained 17R. That was truly an extraordinary trade. However, I wouldn't have entered this trade because the intersection came too late at the sell signal, but most likely it would have ended with a profit. As you can see here, the indicator gave a buy signal from the bottom, but since there was no intersection, I would still not enter the trade. I am honest with you guys. It looks like the signals were very good, but this time it didn't work out and the trade ended up with a loss. However, overall it seems like your trading has been going well so far. Here, I wanted to demonstrate to you live whether the indicator is working or not, and I will enter a trade from the point where the intersection occurred. Let's see if our trade will end up in a profitable outcome. I have set the trade with a 2R risk. Our trade ended up with a profit. In fact, if we didn't stop the trade at 2R, we would have gained more than 13R. It was an excellent trade, and as you can see, the indicator works well with BTC. Now, let's test it on Forex a bit, but I don't want to extend the video too much. The same strategy is also valid here, my friends. Firstly, we take our short or long signal, and if we get a cross of the EMA in a short time, we enter the trade from the point where the EMA crossed. Profit ratio is 0.40, stop ratio is 0.20, and the target is 2R. With this system, we have fewer stop losses. It's not very wise to target very high profit margins in the current market. More videos will be coming soon. If you want to benefit from the information, please subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed my video, I would be happy if you hit the like button. My channel is still new and I am looking for support. I won't extend the Forex section too much as we have spent a lot of time on BTC. To summarize, I evaluated a total of 20 shared signals. According to my calculations, we had 15 profitable trades and 5 times we hit our stop loss. This gives us a stop loss rate of 1 in every 3 trades, which is quite successful. Do these tests yourself. Don't use the indicator without testing it, and I recommend analyzing the general state of the market before taking any trades. Thank you for watching me. Good luck and happy trading to everyone.